Hi everyone. Today uh, we are. I'm gonna make a new video about Karak network, and today I will first go through their news from previous week, and after that I will do about their Discord. Uh, I will go through all channels to and what I want to do is I want to give you information about their Discord and what you can find on there. Okay, go Karak Network. So previous week on 9 April. Okay, yeah. 30 April we have one very big news because Karak Network introduced USD restaking with Ethereum Labs. So you can restake USD and earn Karak experience, and 20x Ethereum sets up 100 million of USD all on top of USD native staking reward. So this is like 2-in-1 chance because in Inasat and Karak period. That okay. After that, they introduced first chain integration with Mantle, also very big news, and Mantle users now can restake MET Edge and earn 2x Karak experience and native staking rewards. Also, one very big and good news. About Nero app, you can claim butterfly rewards on Dinero is money. We can, so yeah, that is about big, two very big news. We'll go now to their Discord channel. Okay, so this is their channel. You can find their go for now. Yes, this community Twitter, so you can page. Okay, so first there is some links in sources, and the first channel is rules, so you can read their rules about this Discord. Welcome joining announce. Okay, this channel where they post every big news, very important channel. Official Twitter, official Twitter. Here is their they post their Twitter post source. Here you can also find their official links like website, documentations, Twitter, Discord, bridge, course, bridge explorer, stake key, and bridging guide. Community. Here there was some in this channel you can find some info about community. There are some meme content, also Discord level program, Karak NFT design contest. There is also Karak Zilli Quest that begin. They uh, give information here. After that, you the level. Okay, in community column, this is where you can like type on. Said good morning night. After that we have general, where you can write what you want, ask some questions. Off topic, of course, and check rank. This is where you can check your rank. And level 4, okay. Daily quest, okay. In this channel, you will get notification when there is new daily quest. Links, click daily. That gaming events. There is some gaming, some poker, gaming. This is like general channel for poker, voice, developers, channel for developers and their questions, content. There is meme and article feeds. Um, these two channels are very related with their Zilli Quest because you have a weekly meme content quest. So, and when you do that quest, you need to copy paste or to upload your meme here, and after that you will screenshot that and post into Zilli Quest. And for article 3 there is daily quest, where you will use read from some of our other members, and you will like, repost, like, comment, and you will copy paste your comment, post link into that Zilli quest. So see that there is a lot of article. Okay, and last we have support. There is bugs, reports, tickets. So in bugs you can write and send your information if you have some bug. Report scammers, of course. Find some scammer, you can report him here. For ticket, okay, you can ticket. So yeah, that is about Karak Discord. I think that I show you and tell you everything what I want about their Discord. So that is for now, and see you next week. Bye bye.